Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about the electric circuit and some conductors and insulators of electricity. This is the miniature project I made for an electric circuit. Now let's talk about the battery. A battery is a combination of two or more electric cells. An electric cell is a source of electric current. It produces electricity with the help of the chemicals stored inside it. A switch is a simple device that controls the current in an electric circuit. It either breaks or completes a circuit. An electric wire provides the path for the electric current to flow so the electric current can flow easily. Now, in this miniature project I've made, you can see that I have used some electric sellotape to stick some aluminium foil. Now, with all of these parts of the electric circuit, this aluminum foil is also a good conductor of electricity and will let the electric current pass through it, and then the fan will rotate. I want to show you how my project actually works. So now I'm going to switch on the switch, and then let's see if the fan rotates. And now I'll switch it off and the fan stops rotating. So this is an electric circuit.